welcome to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'll be showing y'all how I installed these faux locks on my TWA. I decided to record just this little section because it was a struggle trying to put these sections in my hair and doing the back and everything, but I do want to show y'all this technique that I've came up with. I don't know if it's like a technique already, but I kind of came up with this because I've been seeing these really flat faux locks all over the internet and I wanted to try it. So this is what it's looking like now. They are super flat, how I wanted them. And I love these and I'm gonna try to keep them in for a while. So the things you'll need for this technique, hold on. Oh gosh, I haven't had hair this long in a minute. Okay, the things you're gonna need for this technique is, I use one bundle of straight braiding hair. I cut the bundle in half and I use that to braid my base, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I use these faux locks. I use 3 packs of these. Each pack I believe comes in 30 if I didn't miscount them, but I got mine in 24 inches. This is what it looks like. I also use this sensational hair. This is the curly hair that I used to wrap, and this is like what the texture looks like. It came with 3 bundles, but this is all I have left and all that I have to work with. I have 6 sections left just for demonstration purposes, so y'all can see how I do this technique, and it's super easy for beginners. So I take the braiding hair, not much, just a little braiding hair. I'm going to take my crochet needle, kind of like, and what I mean by I want the rubber band to be stretched out, I just like pull the rubber band to make it like a smooth, even like braid or whatever. Because you don't want it to look like this, how it's like the rubber band's at the root. You just want it to be spread out like that. So crochet. And this extra, I mean, you don't have to do this extra step if you have enough hair to braid down. So if you have enough hair to braid down, you're just gonna crochet or braid in the faux lock, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna split the hair into 3 pieces. One of them is going to go on my hair, and I'm just going to braid down. Already messed up. Just gonna braid down. It doesn't have to be tight. It doesn't have to be clean. It doesn't have to be neat. Just, you want just the anchor braid pretty much. So when you get down about 1 inch, you're gonna grab your faux lock, put it on one of the strands of hair, flip it over, and braid, and continue braiding down. So now you have your anchor braid with your faux lock on it, and then you're just gonna twist the faux lock on maybe 1 inch down so it's secured and whatnot. Then I cut the extra hair off right here. get my curly hair, brush it out. I mean, you can brush it out beforehand, but I just do it because it kind of like keeps my little work area clean. I want all this extra hair everywhere. So I'm gonna come in at the root, hold it with my thumb, and twist. I keep hitting this thing. And twist. Try your best to cover that rubber band. Y'all, I'm really happy that my hair is long enough to do these. So when you get down to the end, remember you're gonna tie a knot. Pull it tight so that knot is secured. Twist the rest of the hair down. Spray a little bit if you want to, you don't have to. But, and then voila. So I'm gonna keep doing these for y'all, so maybe y'all can catch on to what I'm doing. I hope y'all do, because this is a lifesaver. Like, I love doing my hair. I don't trust nobody in my hair. I had a bad experience with somebody putting their hands in my head. Never again. Okay, so braiding hair. Braiding hair. Then you're gonna get your needle, crochet needle. Make sure that rubber band is stretched out. Ah! Hold on. I want you to focus, okay? Pull that through. We're gonna make 3 parts with the hair. 1, 2, 3. And then braid down for like an inch. Remember, it doesn't have to be neat. It doesn't have to be perfect. We just want this anchor braid. Get your faux loc. Open it up. Put it on one of the braiding hair, like one of the sections of the braiding hair, and flip the lock over. And keep braiding down for maybe another inch or so. Bring this down, twist. And like once you like get a hang of it, you'll become faster at doing it. But when you're first learning, it might take a little bit longer. But I figured this technique out when I first started, so I was just doing multiple things just to see how flat I can get this. Just to see how flat I can get these faux locs, okay? So I'm gonna get my curly hair. And then we're gonna start to twist. Twist twice at the root, and then you can start covering it. See, like the rubber band's showing a little bit. I can just move it down. When it gets down to the bottom, I really don't really care how it looks, because I'm not focused on like the neatness. So I just tie a knot, pull it tight, keep twisting down. I kind of want like a distressed kind of look, but like if I can't get it, it's okay. And then we're gonna just spray it. Yeah, like you can see some of my rubber bands, but it's not like crazy. We gotta work with what I got, okay? And I don't got that much hair. So I'm gonna do this for y'all one more time. I'm gonna do this one in the front so y'all can see. Put the crochet needle in. Put the braiding hair in. Make 3 sections with the braiding hair. And braid down. Get a faux loc. Get 1 strand of hair from the braiding sections and then keep braiding down. Take the faux loc, wrap around. Round and round we go. Round and round we go. Okay, so we're gonna cut this piece because we don't need it. It's just being extra. Brush out the curly hair. Grabbing at the root, I'm going to twist around the root twice. 1, 2, and now I'm going to try to cover the rubber band as best as possible. And then we're just going to keep going down. So when we get to the end, we're going to tie a knot. Pull it tight. Wrap it, the rest of the extra hair down. Spray. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these last 2 and then show y'all the end results. This is the finished product. But it's so long. So it comes all the way down to my butt. And these are 24 inches. And they're not really that heavy, like for the length that they are. I feel like they could be heavier, but they're so cute. Oh, my scalp is so freaking tender right now. Using this oil by the Loc God. Well, I hope that y'all like this video. I hope that I could help y'all. I hope y'all try it out. Let me know how it goes. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.